Monday, September 8th, 2025, and I wanted to give you guys an update on my college. Now, I know I messed up. It was my fault because I was in semester 1 for 2 years and forgot about it because I should have been paying attention more about it, and I should have been doing it every day. I should have been looking at it like, okay, this is semester 1 only. Now semester 2, 3, or 4. Just semester 1. So I'm going to show you guys what I mean. So you guys know I was in Foster for vet tech. I'm going to show you guys what I mean by what I was keeping and what I was trying to do. So yeah, I'm going to just show you right now. Sorry guys, my computer doesn't have a camera. So this is what you're going to have to deal with for a little while. So I already thought this, this, and this were all separate semesters for some reason. But no, they're actually just classes for literally the first semester. This is the whole entire first semester right here. I literally didn't know that was part of the first semester. So yeah, that's why I was stuck on for 2 years straight, apparently. Because if y'all look at the dates, y'all can see the 23rd, 24th, 25th. I literally did not know this was the whole first semester. So yeah, I did not know this was the whole first semester. See, first semester right here. But now I know what to do. If I scroll down to semester 2, I'll show you guys my classes, and I'll talk to you guys about the externship, which I'm fixing to start. Yay! As the end of semester 2, finally I'll be going to semester 3, right after the externship. I'll talk to you guys about that too, but when I know more about it, because I'll know for sure. See, this is semester 2, right here, and this is all of the classes. Now I know this is the classes, not just the semester itself. So, I'll give you guys more updates on the externship when I know more, but for now I don't know anything else. I'm concerned about my externship. I'll give you guys story times, but I can't really release anything about the whole information. But I will give you guys stories of how the first day went, and how the whole week went, and stuff like that. And if I'm passing this stuff. So yeah, that's the whole thing. Good morning, or afternoon, or whatever it is in your time that you're watching this vlog for this week. Today is Tuesday, September 9th, 2025, and today we are doing Thanksgiving because we want to celebrate it a little early. Nothing wrong with that. So I'm going to give you guys a little tour of what we're doing for Thanksgiving in September. Alright, I'm going to give you guys what we're going to do for Thanksgiving. And in the oven, I think we have turkey, and I think we're also doing baked macaroni cheese. I think, and then something else, I forgot. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do for September giving. And I hope you guys enjoy the vlog. Peace out. So today I think we're making cornbread mix. Oh yeah, cornbread. The stuffing, mac and cheese, turkey gravy. Pretty sure this is probably the yams, or the stuff anyways, cranberry sauce. Or should I say September giving? Because it's September. We're doing Thanksgiving in September. I don't know why. Because we want to do it early, I guess. So yeah. This is Thanksgiving early? 2 months early? September Thanksgiving?
All that. And this. And this. That'll work.
What kind of cheese? A lot of cheese.
4. God damn it. Sorry. Keep going.
It's gonna be good and cheesy.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Did you know they sell the Velveeta packages, just the cheese package that comes out of the mac and cheese? Buy the go.
Yep.
Dollar General.
Yep.
Just the cheese package.
Oh, cool.
Just saying.
Yeah.
Anybody want some?
Anybody wants to know, they sell the cheese packet individually.
Cheese package?
Just the cheese sauce
and
and 3-pack.
That might be 1.5.
There's baked macaroni and cheese?
Yes.
Ooh. You hear the bird?
Yeah. Very stupid. Tap it too hard, don't break the glass. Half of that, half of that, 1.5. There we go. Stir it in there. That's what sets it up. Probably will too much, but you know. Good enough. Now. What the? Damn it. Cheese, put a cover on it, and good to go.
Nice and cheesy.
Oh, mac and cheesy. So
There's
nice.
baked mac and cheesy.
Baked mac and cheese. Ooh. There comes some fucking. I'm gonna throw in a little bit. No cream, put in a whole cup.
Chicken and turkey.
Ooh, falling apart.
Ooh.
Whoa. Ooh, damn. Give me the thermometer. Thermometer. Ooh, it's done. Oh yeah, it's all done.
What's it supposed to say the number for?
I don't know. I just know over 200 it's fucking done.
It was over 200 actually.
Oh yeah, it's done. It is done.
Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get her. Get her.
Oh. Here, come here. Oh, yeah, take it, that's right. Here,
You took off with it.
Oh no, it's falling.
Good morning, everybody. Today is Sunday, September 14th, 2025. And today, Marshmallow's second birthday. His favorite orange kitten, Nuggie. It's her first birthday. Yay, Nuggie. You care? No? Want some catnip? Hang on. Jeez. That is the cat who loves catnip. That's Tabby. Yep, there he goes. I'm gonna give birthday kitty some and the other cat some too. There's birthday kitty. Oh, now they're gonna fight. Nope, now they're gonna fight for it. Yeah? You having a good birthday? You don't want this blanket on there? Come here. I don't care. Come here. I gave some to Marshmallow. Today is also Bear's birthday. If you guys remember Bear, she was actually Jen's cat, but she unfortunately passed away in December. From, I think, the dogs attacked her. So, yeah. Happy birthday, Bear. We love and miss you. Tabby. Tabby, did you got her tail? You got her tail? Yeah, say I'm one. I go say it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys liked it, like and subscribe and all that, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Bye.